The hospital adjustable beds are delivered in tri-walls with a red label marked hospital adjustable. It will take 2 people to assemble each bed. To assemble, first remove the beds from the tri-wall. All parts needed for setup are contained within the bed. Stand the bed up on its side with the longest portion of the bed facing up, and the 2 straps securing the bed should be chest high. Unlatch the straps which are located on each side of the bed. Please note that this bed has a frame portion and a bed portion, so be sure to hold both sections as you lower the frame to the floor. Raise the legs, then slide the hinge locking latch in place on all 4 legs of the bed. This will keep the hinges locked and in place. Now remove the mattress by sliding it from underneath the frame. You will notice 2 large pockets under the bed. Those pockets contain 6 pieces. 2 of those pieces are necessary to complete the assembly of this bed. Remove each piece and place them to one side. When taking inventory of these parts, you will notice that you have 2 adjustable arms, 2 IV poles, a chart bag, and a removable tray table. Now turn the bed over, being careful to hold the bed and the frame while doing so. And attaching the mattress, you will notice that the bed and the mattress both have 6 strips of Velcro that should line up. Now we will attach the adjustable arms. Please note that there are 2 adjustable arms and they are identical. One side of the adjustable arm has a notch. The section of the arm with the notch lines up with the bed frame. The other section fits into the tongue mechanism, and to do this, you have to be sure that the latch on the mechanism is pulled against the frame before sliding the adjustable arm into place. This piece allows for raising and lowering of the head and foot sections of the bed. If positioned correctly, this section of the bed should not be able to elevate or lower without the adjustable latch being pulled. Note, in order to release the adjustable arm, you must raise the safety latch. This bed comes with 2 IV poles, which can be placed into one of the 3 holes at the designated head section of the bed. Also included with the bed is a chart bag. This may or may not be used, but in order to assemble, you simply tie it to either end of the bed or to the side of the bed. There is also a removable tray table included with each bed. These can be placed in a couple of different locations. There are holes near the foot and headboard, or you can set it up at the very end of the bed.